G'day, welcome to Shane's Shed. A little while ago, you may have seen, I dragged this Mazda 6 home. What am I going to do with this? Now, my mate Byron from Down the Shed with Byron, another YouTuber, go check out his channel, be in the description below. He's to blame, well, he's not 100% to blame for this, but he's got to share a little bit of the responsibility, I think. You see, Byron has been a bit of a mad keen demo derby fan, and it's kind of been something that I've had, I guess, on the bucket list of things to do for a while, but sort of thought it'd be something that'd probably never happen, like many other things. We are going demo derby. I can't wait, to be honest. 3rd of May, so Mount Barker, dog's baby going nuts. 3rd of May at Mount Barker in West Australia, so if you're in WA, come see that. It seems at this stage there's going to be a decent field, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's a total of like 10 grand prize money up, so should be good. I've got a bit of a deadline to work to. I've got a bit of work to do. Basically, obviously, all the interior needs to be pretty much gutted, all the glass out, headlights, basically any plastic from the outside, mirrors, door handles, all that sort of stuff needs to come out. Got a few little protection things I need to put in place for myself. But apart from that, we're just gonna, I'm not really gonna film most of the stripping, to be honest. I just want to smash this out because like I said, I've got a deadline on this one and I'm trying to work to meet that. So hopefully I can still get the time off work. So in my crew there's only 2 people and the other guy's got time as well booked, so I've got somebody covering, but superintendent might knock it on the head yet, who knows. But anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to start on the outside stripping stuff down, so yeah, let's check back once I've done a bit more work there. Well, as you can see, I've had a busy day. I've just been dicking about most of the day. I'll show you what I've been up to. Rear bumpers removed, mainly because that tow bar was there. That needs to be removed by the rules. So yeah, we'll look in there. I may end up throwing the car, well, not the interior cards that hold the window regs back on. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Pretty big bay gap. I need to remove all the roof lining, airbags. I just need to cut them. I'll probably remove the front one, obviously cut the bay cable or unplug it, whatever. I'll probably put the bag back in because it's, you know, just an impact thing around the front. Passenger airbag, I'll have a look whether it's easy to remove that or just unplug it. I don't know, we'll figure it out. So I've got all the front bumper, all that removed, all the headlights, pretty much any plastic in the guard linings, all that sort of stuff. Removed all the windscreen wipers and the, what do you call it, scuttle panel, whatever, because all this glass needs to come out. That's all, basically all the glued in glass is still there, but pretty much all the side glasses out. Door trims, interior, the works, which is all stripped out. Today I've got all this mess to clean up. There's bay crap everywhere, there's a bay carpet, all the seats. Yeah, there's just shit strewn everywhere. So even down there, there's stuff up there as well. That's just everywhere. So that's my little update of what's going on with the derby car. So, like I said, 3rd of May. Geez, I know with Byron, there's got probably about 13 cars at the moment, so I'm not too sure how many others are going to be there. It should be a pretty decent field, I think, from what we can see so far. We'll keep doing on this another day. I think I'm kind of done for today. Yeah, we'll probably have to wait for maybe a bit warmer day to get this glass out. Just, you know, let the glue soften a bit. Yeah, that could be a bit of a bastard. I've never pulled those sort of ones out before, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe to see more of this content as it develops. And yeah, Derby Day on the 3rd, so yeah, looking forward to it.